Sunday and we're going fishing. You just see Finland in the bag. We are going with my cousins. We're going to the pier right now, and then we're probably gonna go to the beach after. So, bye guys. You made it to the pier. Damn. Hi. What?
Hi.
Philip, why are you like that? Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Omar, say hello to my vlog. We're here at the pier. You got something?
No.
Bruh.
Okay.
Oh, the grass Melicon. It's crazy.
Is it with the hook or is it with the bait?
Yo, what is that? Is that a bag?
I think that's a fish.
No, over there.
Oh, that is a bag of chips.
Oh. Love it. At least you got something.
Yeah?
Okay, homie, what do you rate your ice cream? 10 out of 10. Yes. Julian, what do you rate your ice cream?
Huh?
What do you rate it?
8 out of 10.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. What do you rate your ice cream?
It's good as fuck.
You, Jimmy?
That's pretty good. I'll give it a 9.
Yup. Here we are, we're at the beach. Whoa. Damn, how nice to be tall. To be tall. Damn, look at her. She got something. How does it feel to get slapped by a fish?
Oh, that shit was embarrassing.
So how does it feel?
Huh?
How does it feel?
Did it hurt?
It was quick. It fucking came out of nowhere.
Was it like poop?
I honestly thought you threw something at me.
I just turned
like,
around.
damn.
I just turned around and I see the fish.
It's because it came in your direction.
Oh.
You still in the Jeep?
What the heck? Yeah, the Jeep. We are here, stuck in traffic. Now that it's not zooming in, I mean, yeah guys, we're here stuck in traffic. Someone almost crashed because they don't know how to drive. So, not us, obviously, someone in front of us. But
well, now they're behind us. Like
yeah, now they're behind us, but it was crazy. Well, bye guys, this is the end of the vlog. I didn't get to record. Oh, sorry. Yes, thank you for that. I know it's just not even me, it's the road. But yes, we're ending this vlog because we're going home already. So bye guys.